Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, you are watching Tamara's Hair Care. In today's video, we are doing a DIY, guys. I am going to show you how to make your very own 100% pure coconut oil at home. First, you're going to need 2 dry coconut. After removing the husks, it should be looking like this, guys. Next, we are going to wash them, guys. Make sure they are very clean. I'm using my fingers to remove any dirt or buildup in the coconut. Next, what you want to do, you want to cut them into small pieces so it's easy to be blended. Coconut oil forms a thick layer over the scalp to protect it from environmental irritants and also helps seal moisture inside your hair to keep them soft and hydrate for longer. Now I am adding the diced coconut to the blender, guys, and I'm doing 2 rounds because it's 2 coconut. Everything cannot blend at once. Next, you want to add warm water and let it blend until the coconut are smooth. Some of the amazing benefits of coconut oil are: it helps to boost your immune system. It also helps with weight loss as well as moisturize and repair dry, damaged hair. Coconut oil loaded with antioxidants and nutrients that can help promote healthy hair growth. Also, coconut oil can prevent scalp infection. And guys, there are a lot more amazing benefits that coconut oil offer. All you guys have to do is do some research and you will see all the amazing benefits. These are just some of the amazing benefits. I always have coconut oil in my house, guys. Coconut oil is my favorite oil. And many of you guys already know that I cannot do without coconut oil. So me making my own is amazing, and I want you guys learn to make your own as well because it's pretty easy. And at least for sure you'll know that you have 100% coconut oil. After blending all the coconut thoroughly, guys, I am going to use a strainer to separate the coconut juice from the trash in a big bowl. In order for me to remove all the juice from the trash, I am going to use my hand to squeeze the trash with all the strength that I have because you don't want to waste nothing, guys. We are not done with this trash as yet, guys. We are going to blend it a second time to make sure we remove every single nutrient from this trash. Now we are going to strain it a second time with a smaller strainer to make sure we remove all the trash from the juice. Look how rich and creamy that look, guys. Amazing. This is pure coconut juice. Wow, I'm just there playing with it and amazed by the richness. Now we are using a file paper to cover the bowl and let it sit in the fridge overnight. Okay guys, so big disclaimer, the coconut water and the oil should have been separated and the top should have been hard, but that didn't happen. So what I did, I put it in my freezer overnight, and after it's fully frozen, I let it sit out all day and it melted, and after that I strained it with a stocking, and there you go. So if this happened to you guys, please do not give up and do not throw it away. Just drop it in the freezer, let it freeze, and then let it melt, and then you will see the particles in the coconut water. So you just strain it off. These are the particles. I strain it off, and that's the water. So it's still good, the water, and that's what's going to make the oil that's in the pot. So I put the pot on the stove on low heat and cover it. See that, guys? And then I use the coconut water to make rice. See, win-win. As you guys can see, the coconut is forming. You have to be patient, low heat, and I let this stay on the fire for like an hour on low heat. And as you guys can see, I keep checking it, I keep stirring it, make sure it doesn't stick, make sure you use a non-stick pot, and keep stirring it and keep checking it. And as you guys can see, the oil is forming. It looks amazing. I am super proud. 100% pure coconut oil, guys. So here I'm just stirring it, making sure nothing stick. So when the coconut oil is ready, guys, it should be looking like this. When it looks like this, mean it's ready. Not when it's burned. It's not burned, so don't let it burn. And the rice is ready as well. So now I'm gonna strain everything with a strainer to remove the trash or the particles from the oil. Oh my god, guys, I spilled the coconut oil on the counter, or I think the container is leaking, so I decided to change the container to make sure I don't waste any. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure that I don't waste any of the oil. I'm going to use a whatever that thing is called and scoop up all the coconut oil into my container, and there you have it, guys, 100% pure coconut oil. So I'm just going to add it to a bottle that I have around the house to store it in. I am going to share with you some ways you could use coconut oil on your hair. You can apply warm coconut oil on your hair to minimize dryness. Massage your scalp gently with oil to promote hair growth and treat dandruff. Use coconut oil on your hair before and after shampooing to increase its shine. Add coconut oil and other oils of your choice to make hot oil treatments. You can also add coconut oil to your deep conditioner to help restore the health of your hair.